Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password and click on fingerprint ID. Now enter some screen lock pattern. If you have one, you need to enter the current one, and if you don't, you have to provide any one. Mark unlock device. And as you can see, you can add your fingerprint by tapping on the sensor. The sensor is located in the middle of the screen. And just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it, tap on OK, and from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, so it's enough to tap on the screen to unlock your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.